In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build simple budgets on Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable budget board you can tailor to your needs, whether you're tracking team spend, project costs, or monthly expenses. Start by signing in to your Monday.com account. For the smoothest setup, make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want this budget to live, especially if your organization uses multiple workspaces or permissions. On the left side of the screen, click the plus icon. This is your quick create menu. From the options that appear, choose board. Boards are the foundation of Monday.com and the best place to build a simple budget that's easy to update and share. Next, select New Board. This opens the board creation window where you'll define the basics. Give your board a clear name, type budget management. A consistent naming convention helps everyone find it later and keeps your workspace organized. Now choose the privacy setting that fits your situation. Main is visible to your team, private keeps it to just you and invited members, and shareable is helpful if you'll collaborate with external stakeholders. Pick what's appropriate for your budget's sensitivity and audience. From the template options, click Budgets. This template provides a helpful starting structure designed for tracking planned versus actual costs and totals, saving you time on setup. After selecting it, click Create Board. Monday.com will generate your board with preset groups and columns so you can start working right away. With the board open, begin customizing your budget management layout. Rename groups to match your categories or time periods, like marketing, operations, or Q1. Adjust column names so they reflect how you report, for example, planned, actual, and variance. If the default currency isn't right, open the settings on your number columns and switch to the currency you use. Clear out any sample rows so you're working from a clean slate, then add your actual line items. You can add columns to track exactly what matters. Insert a numbers column for amounts and set the currency. Add a status column to mark spending as planned, in progress, or closed. Include a date column for when a cost is expected or posted, and a people column to assign ownership. If you'd like automatic calculations, use a formula column to subtract actual from planned to display your variance. Reorder columns by dragging them so your most important details are front and center. That's it. You've created a simple, clear budget board on Monday.com that's ready for real data and quick updates as your spending evolves.